Yo, what's up, Fomo fam, what's up? What do you mean, community? Today I would like to review a project that is going to release on Enjinstarter, and as you know, my project, What Do You Mean, invests in crypto pre-sales, and I want to take a look, is it worth it to invest in this pre-sale, so you could take the profits from those gains? So let's take a look at that. I haven't seen anything about it, okay? So I'm not prepared at all. So I'm very curious to see what it's going to be like. So already like the video if you like the video. There's a video coming out about DEX check, which is going to release on Enjinstarter, on ChainGPT, Poolz Finance, CDeFi, every major platform. By the time I shot the video, the IDO date wasn't confirmed yet, but it's the 10th of July. So that's going to take like a couple of weeks from now still. But Bidshop is releasing, and that's releasing pretty soon. So what about Bidshop? Is this worth to invest in? What is it? Well, what I can already see is that Enjinstarter is not going to raise a lot of money for it. So whatever it might be like, it's not going to be a big allocation. However, it's exclusive for only, I think, the 999 day stakers and the multiverse stakers. But since Enjinstarter is quite cheap, I think most of the investors of Enjinstarter are in that tier though. So then I still think that our allocation won't be that high. But Bidshop, the first fully privatized on-chain auction house, revolutionizing liquidity generation for Web3 assets. It has created a mechanism backed by unique technology to bootstrap liquidity, community, and revenue while maintaining an incentivizing fair lunch token mechanism. No pre-sale, no IDO. Then what is this? Yeah. Okay. A new flywheel to create liquidity, distribute native tokens, and reward stakers. So they released tokens. Okay, let's take a look at the token metrics. So how does that work? It's on the Ethereum network. The initial supply is 40 million. The total supply is 1 billion. So that's like fucked up. That's a 25x token vesting. Yeah, and that's not what I like about these new projects, right? Like, I mean, you invest in it, but even at the end of the day, if the token does a 25x, the market cap will still, you know, it's like you have to do a lot to make profits from that in the long term, right? But yeah, in the short term, is there money to be made? Well, their initial market cap, which is probably excluding liquidity, is $180,000, so it's quite low. The total raise, though, is $1.2 million, and on Enjinstarter, they're just going to raise like $100 million. So when it comes to that, they're probably raising on more platforms. The vesting details, 10% TGE, 3 months cliff, and then 12 months linear monthly release, aka the vesting sucks. Really bad. Like you have to do a 10x to get your initial investment back, right? And then you have to wait for 3 months, and then you get your tokens vested over 12 months, right? So 1 month 1, 3, 4, 2, 3, and 4, and then 12. So that's 60 months, 1.5 years before you have all your tokens. I don't like that kind of stuff. I really don't like that. But maybe if they got the hype together, that if the 10x is still possible or close to that, then it's worth it nevertheless. But I just don't like that kind of stuff, to be honest. But let's take a look. What can we find? Is it here? Yeah, it's here. So where are they going to release them? Okay, whatever. Huh? Okay, so this is like, what I don't get is that here it says on Poolz Finance, right? So they're also releasing on Poolz. But I must say that the market cap starts with $1 million right here. And on Enjinstarter, it starts with $180. So that's not like a small difference or anything. That's a huge difference. Also, yeah, that's kind of weird in my opinion, how that works actually. But yeah, let's take a look at that vesting schedule, because We want to know about that. So percent of the total supply. So there's an airdrop being distributed fully, and that's 1% of the total supply. That's quite a lot. That's quite a lot. You have to understand that the public sale, which we are in, right, is also 1%. The thing is, though, we have to wait 1.5 years to get this, and the people that get the airdrop, they basically get them immediately. So I don't know who's liable for the airdrop, but they're gonna dump on us hard. So yeah, that kind of sucks, to be honest. Liquidity is going to get fully released on TGE. I get that. Treasury 5%. 5% of this 6%. So yeah, that's not really that bad. Strategic sale also, and then they have a cliff and they get it. It's I am not happy with the tokenomics. Partners, Kucoin, Republic Capital, IDG Capital. So they have some partners here and there. Let me put it like this. The platform has to be really, really, really good for me to get some interest in this, because I already feel like, okay, it's unclear. Like, what's your initial market cap? Is it $1 million or $200,000? It's like quite a difference, right? Also, we get not a lot at TGE. So the token has to really perform well for us to make our money back. And then again, there are people liable for some airdrop that get the same amount and can dump it all at once, while we have to wait 1.5 years. So the token really has to have a big growth. And I don't know where they are going to release even further, because if it's 150k on Poolz and 100,000 on Enjinstarter, then there's 1 million left, right? That 1 million is not going all to the strategic sale, because that's 6%. Well, that's 6%. Public sale 1%. That could be. That could be, by the way. Okay. Let me take a look at their Twitter. Do they have a big hype? I hope they have a big hype. Otherwise, it sucks. So they're followed by Ren. That's like a red flag to me. I don't. Why do I follow this guy? I don't know him. Poolz, 5-star idea, okay. Well, they have some followers. They have like 80,000 followers, and if they tweet something, they get, there is some interaction, so that's quite nice, I guess. Ridado, that's a gaming project. Bidshop is hooking up with 3 bits. So there the airdrops are going. Yeah. So they partnered with some other projects and airdrop them, I guess. They give away a lot of tokens, and that sucks, because they're gonna dump on the people that are going to participate in this sale. This is how it's going to look like, though. I want to see this. And let me turn off that sound, because this is probably not their own and I want to get me demonetized. Multiple bid picker. So, place bids. Okay, they can bid. And now? Earn loyalty points, yeah. Whoa. And then massive airdrop. Okay. Yeah. I don't really like it so far, to be honest. Fancy Bears, it's a big project, so that's cool. But also airdrop. So I don't know. Like, if you were in such a community where they were going to airdrop the tokens, then it's nice. But if we actually have to pay for those same amount of tokens and have to wait like 1.5 years on it, I don't know. They should have made the private sale They should have made the private sale way better vesting schedule. It sucks. TGE, when soon? Okay. I don't see huge kind of partnerships. The only things I see are airdrops. But these communities are not going to buy this anyway. They're just going to sell the airdrop. That's not the best way to go with. They better release on a major CX, multiple major CXs to make up for this crap. Let me find if I can see something in their Telegram. They have a announcement channel. Okay. Where's your group though? This is what I also can find on Twitter. And what I don't like as well is there are 4,000 members in their Telegram. Look at that interaction. Nothing. Right? Not to be a dick, but our channel has 100 members. Look at our interaction. It's the same. I don't know about this, man. I haven't even seen their website yet, but I already don't like it. Right? How is that good? They do have a Discord. I just want to take a quick look. Not fair token launch through our IBO. Bit earn stake. I like the idea though, definitely. But initial bid offering, yeah. Okay, but and this is what yeah, the utility. Okay, so what's the utility? Oh, this is the utility. Staking, volume rewards, and governance. So beyond the following description below, bid tokens do not provide any rights, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so you can stake your token. All right, that's one utility. Volume rewards. So volume rewards are distributed based on your volume contribution to the platform. But that's not a token utility, that's the platform utility. So if you use the platform, you get these tokens. But that's another way for people to sell their tokens. Locking bits provides a boost. Okay, so you can sell more of those tokens. And governance. So, okay, guys, I'm super bearish on this already. Because, like every reason, the tokenomics are really bad. I think this is the information is not clear about what their initial market cap is going to be. The idea is okay, it's nice, maybe it will work, maybe it won't. I'm not like whoa or anything like that. I don't see a single utility for the token. To be honest, it says utility. Yeah, you can stake the token, but then people get more tokens, so they sell more tokens. You can use the platform, so you can get tokens to sell. And governance is like, okay, but is that like, I don't see what the token is used for. Why would people want to have these tokens? The only thing that I see is so they can get more to sell more. So in the short term, I don't see this perform. In the long term, I definitely don't see this perform. So I don't like that. FAQ. Who's the team in the first place? I don't see the team as well. No results for team, of course. Jesus Christ. Okay. Maybe it's somewhere on the Discord, but it's also very hard to find something about the team behind the project. So that I can't find. So, yeah. Okay. Yeah. It's not even updated here. Like, ugh, what's on the roadmap? Like, I don't even care anymore, but whatever. DAO auctions, silent NFT auctions, fair lunch auctions. Auctions, enable tokenized assets and auctions. I don't see anything that benefits the token holders, to be honest. I really don't like this. I don't think I'm gonna participate myself in this. And you know, maybe I'm completely wrong. Maybe they, you know, really get it going and we miss out on this. But I don't feel like participating in this with my own money, let alone with our community money. But, you know, if you feel like, oh, yeah, you should, then let me know. But, you know, and it could be that they have a Kucoin listing or something like that, since that's a partner. So I don't know what the partner, what the partnership does, actually. Let me check if I can get into the Discord real quick. Yeah, open the fucking app already. Okay, let me find if I can just join it like real quick. Okay, let me verify. Come on, man. I hate Discord. Come on. Please. Motorcycle. Jesus Christ. Okay. Yeah, here you go. Okay, cool. So let me see. CX. Nothing to find about that. Exchange. Oh man, come on. Seriously, nothing about that as well. Listing. I can't, seriously, I can't find shit. Who is the team even? Like, can I just press docs in that case and find something then? Bots. Oh, the entire development team is docs and has decades of experience under the belts. Then where? I can't, where the fuck is it then? If they are so docs, then why do you make it so hard to find that? Okay, now conclusion. I think this sucks. Okay, so that's my honest review about this project. I know it's a very short research, and a lot of people that may like the project might come at me like now, like, but you didn't do a good research. But if like in 15 minutes or in 20 minutes in this case, you can already find a lot of information usually. The information that I see, or it doesn't check out with anything else, or it's not good, or it's not, the rest of the information is very hard to find. Yeah, compared with the bad tokenomics, for me it's a no. When it comes to what do you meme, let me know if we should participate in this with the what do you meme community, but I would say hell no. So no, it's not for me, to be honest. Like, I don't really like this. Like, a lot of money volume rewards. Most tokens are going to the people using the platform. So if you want to get these tokens, just go use the platform, right? Why in the fuck would you put money into the public sale for that very small amount, which is going to be dumped on you by everybody right here, while you have to wait for 1.5 years on it? Sorry, guys. I'm out.